In this video, I will show you how to download original Windows 10 ISO file from Microsoft's official website. Give this video a thumbs up, grab your PC, and let's get started. First, open any browser. Go to the search bar, type Windows 10 Download and press Enter. Open the official Microsoft website. This is Microsoft's official Windows 10 download page. On some browsers, you might not see the direct ISO download option right away. If that happens, right-click anywhere on the page and select Inspect. Then click on the Mobile View icon at the top of the panel. After switching to Mobile View, refresh the page. Now you can close the Inspect panel. Scroll down again and you should now see the option to download the Windows 10 ISO file directly. Select Windows 10 Multi-Edition ISO and click Confirm. Next, choose your preferred language and click Confirm again. After that, select the 64-bit version and the ISO file will start downloading. Keep in mind, the file is several gigabytes in size, so it takes some time depending on your internet speed. And that's it. This is how you can download original Windows 10 ISO. If you want to create a Windows 10 bootable USB, then you can watch this video.